In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Microsoft Loop. We'll walk through the exact clicks from start to finish, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you can do this confidently and avoid removing the wrong workspace. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. This helps you land on the official site quickly, especially if you're not sure of the exact URL. In the search results, look for the link titled Microsoft Loop Collaborative App Microsoft 365. Click that result to go to Microsoft's official Loop page. On the Loop page, select Get Started with Loop. You'll be prompted to sign in. Use the Microsoft account tied to the workspace you want to remove. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one from here. A quick tip: if the workspace belongs to your company or school, make sure you're signing in with your work or school account so you see the correct workspaces and the right permissions. After signing in, you'll land in the Loop web app. You should see your workspaces listed. Before you delete anything, pause and double check that you've selected the correct workspace. If there's content inside that you or teammates might need later, consider copying pages out or moving components elsewhere first. Deleting a workspace removes it for everyone who had access, so it's worth a final review. When you're sure, find the workspace you want to remove and click the three dots, often labeled More Options, next to its name. This opens the Workspace Actions menu. From that menu, choose Delete. Microsoft will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Read that message carefully. It's your last chance to back out if you picked the wrong workspace. To finalize, click Delete again in the confirmation dialog. The workspace will be removed and its pages will no longer be available to collaborators. Depending on your connection and organizational settings, it may take a moment for the list to refresh. If it still appears, a quick page refresh usually clears the view. A couple of closing tips. If you don't see the delete option, you might not be the workspace owner or your organization may restrict deletions. In that case, reach out to an owner or your administrator for help. And finally, keep a quick note of what you've deleted and when so your team knows the workspace has been intentionally removed. That's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Microsoft Loop safely and with confidence.